Hello, this is Jerome Srilia, and today I'm going to share to you my collections for 4 years in a row. So come, let's get closer and let's have fun. So basically, this is a wallet. It's made out of ostrich leather. So let's open it, and there you go. These are my lucky, let's say sabihin natin lucky money. For the 4 years in a row, bumibili ako ng ganito. Ito binigay sa akin. Ito lang yung hindi ko binili. Ito is yung Year of the Rabbit way back 2023. Diba? Ang cute kasi. Yan si Bonnie. And then basically nakalagay siya, meron siyang nakalagay ganyan, Lucky Money. Walt Rabbit Lucky Money Card. Ilalagay mo lang to sa wallet. There you go. And then on the following year, I decided to, of course, buy yung yung Year of the Dragon. Gusto ko lang kasi ang cute eh. Ang cute ng mga drawings niya, parang chibi. Yan siya, Lucky Money, Vault Dragon. Put in the wallet. Then on the following year, bumili ako ng iba, ng naman. This year pala, yung Year of the Snake. Nice, huh? Pero yung parang niya, nakadikit kasi dito. Pero hindi ko talaga sila tinatanggal sa plastic, intentional. This is for the 2025. So basically, 23, Year of the Rabbit. 2024, Year of the Dragon. 2025, Year of the Snake. And for the 2026, I bought it in advance. Ay, hindi nakalagay pala yung 2026. Masyado akong bumili ng maaga, hindi nakalagay. It's Year of the Horse. Pero titinginin pa ako ng shop kung may chibi horse. Right? Nice. Ito kasi yung tumatakbo yung mga horse. Parang sa stamp ng ng Australia, Brumbies. So, basically, ayan sila lahat. And I put them in order according to the year. And I place them in my ostrich leather wallet. Ganyan siya. Ayoko rin nalulukot. So basically that's everything, and bye for now.